the common reason was my laptop fell down on my foot, or I was working out with a simple dumbbell that fell down on my foot. I'm Dr. Kirti Mohan Maria. I'm a specialist orthopedic surgeon with the Esther Specialty Center for Orthopedics and Physiotherapy in Gisays in Dubai. Recently, we have already started with the teleconsultations, and we are also allowing some patients to physically visit us. And I see that a lot of such patients who are coming to us nowadays are complaining about neck and back pain issues more than what probably they experienced while they were at physical workplace. They are sitting in positions or on chairs which they are not used to. So in office you have ergonomic chairs, but at home you might not have the same kind of a chair that you were used to before. Also, when you are at home, you are more relaxed. You are trying to sit on the sofa or on the bed or on the couch and trying to work around, with those postures, which probably add on to the problems about both the neck and the back pain. So the number of cases recently with neck and back pain issues are actually on the rise. So what I suggest to the patients basically is to take care of few things. The first thing would be that whenever they are sitting or watching, doing their work on the laptops or the computers, it is very, very important to take care of their posture. So they should ideally sit on some kind of a chair which is a little bit more firm at the base and at the back as well. They could probably use some kind of a cushion to support their lower back. So it's very important that the lower back, which is where the waist is, should be always supported behind with the chair or with the backrest of the sofa or the bed where they are sitting in. But ideally it should be a firm upright chair. So upright position is one of the most important key things. The second thing I suggest to most of my patients is to not sit in one posture for a long period of time. So when you sit in one position for a prolonged period, the muscles get tired and they start to hurt. So it's a good idea to just get up from wherever you're sitting every half an hour, just walk around the house, take 10-15 steps, stretch a bit and sit down again. And the third thing is that while they are not sitting and they're not working, as I said in the beginning, it's a posture which is important. So they should not do a semi-recline kind of a posture to watch phones or watch videos or TV. They should be sitting upright, and also do a little bit of exercise, some kind of stretches, on a daily basis. Some nasty incidents, that are coming across. In the beginning, the first few days after the lockdown, when I started to attend my clinic, all the majority of the patient would come back with some foot fracture or something, and the common reason was my laptop fell down on my foot, or I was working out with a simple dumbbell that fell down on my foot, or I was walking around in the house and my foot hurt because I was walking in closed spaces, so my foot hurt the edge of the sofa or the bed. So these kind of minor trauma, I would not say it's a major injuries, but those kind of trips and falls, those kind of incidences were coming. So we had a couple of requests from patients who wanted to get their surgeries which were planned before, but then we had to postpone them because of the situation of the COVID, insisting that because they are on a holiday anyways, or they're working from home, or they're not required temporarily in the company for some reason to do, they were asking us to perform those surgeries now. But we have been deferring those surgeries as per the regulation here in Dubai, which is more sensible as well, because the hospitals need to have their beds available for the COVID patients, which is a more priority right now. The second thing is that yes, we are doing emergency surgeries when suppose, for example, if a patient has a severe fracture or a serious kind of an injury that requires it to be fixed, we do allow them to have that surgeries done. But those which are elective cases like a meniscal tear or sport-related injuries which are not causing the patient a lot of discomfort and agony, we are persuading them to postpone that for some time, although it's convenient for them from the work from home point of view. But it is a kind of a risk as well, because when we are using the anesthesia services in the theater, worldwide, the data suggests that there could be a risk to the patient as well as the surgeon who's performing these surgeries when you're doing this in these days, especially with the COVID around us. So it's better to just postpone that till the things improve.